Hello. So, guide reading for today, you'll see there's a link to the Nowhere Emporium from yesterday. So that's kind of your fluency. Today's going to have a bit more of a comprehension focus, but also at the same time a grammar focus, because it's good to be bringing all our different skills in as we're going over. So this is the small bit of text from the book that's going to be relevant, which we'll have a read of, and then we'll have a look at the questions that you're going to be faced with, a few helpful hints, and then obviously you can crack on. The shop from nowhere arrived with the dawn on a crisp November morning. Word travelled quickly around the village, and by midday the place was abuzz with rumour and hearsay. There were 4 shops in the row yesterday, today there are 5. Did you hear it sits between the butchers and the ironmongers? The brickwork's black as midnight, and it sparkles strangely in the light. By evening time, a curious crowd had begun to gather around the mysterious building. They jostled for position and traded strange and wonderful theories about where the shop had come from and what it might sell, all the while hoping to catch a glimpse of movement through the darkened windows. The shop was indeed built from bricks the colour of midnight, bricks that shimmered and sparkled in the glow of the gas street lamps. Blocking the doorway was a golden gate so fine and intricate that some wondrous spider might have spun it. Over the windows, curling letters spelled out a name, the Nowhere Emporium. So your first question is this: what does a buzz with rumour and hearsay suggest about the place? So it's a famous expression, a buzz with rumour and hearsay. So what does that suggest maybe about the people, about the place where the Nowhere Emporium has appeared, if it's a buzz with rumour and hearsay? And what might these rumours and hearsay be? Your second question: why has the author used italics for the speech in the first part of the extract? So you can see here we've got italics, italics, and italics. Why has he used it? Is it just to make it stand out, which we know isn't going to be a correct answer? What's the exact reason for it? How is that beneficial for the reader? Question 3. Within this, you've got to find a word similar to conspiracies. So it might be you need to look up what conspiracies means in the first place, using thesaurus, dictionary, whichever route you want to take, and then see which word within the text is similar to conspiracies. And then this one is a definition, meaning what does the word intricate mean? So what does intricate mean? Okay, so we want a definition for that one. Then your grammar focus. So it's still based on the text, but it's going to be applying that different part of your learning. So question 5 is to write a question you have about the Nowhere Emporium that has appeared on the street. So in the text, it's appeared. So what could be your question about it? And the key is to make sure you punctuate it accurately. Okay, so what should the question start with? What should the question end with? Etc. Question 6, within this, there is an adverbial phrase which you need to find and copy. Now, an adverbial phrase, remember, contains an adverb, but it could be about a time, could be a time, could be how, a manner of something. Okay? Think about like those fronted adverbials that you might use in your writing. And an adverbial phrase is just that collection of words. So we're not looking for quickly, as an example. That would be an adverbial, but it's only one word. So the phrase is a few long. To see if you can find and copy out an adverbial phrase. And there might be more than one answer. So if you want to impress us, give us a couple. There's no reason why you can't. And then question 7, you need to improve the shop. So in here it says the shop, and just to prove it's here, by expanding this noun phrase. So a noun phrase, if you remember, is a noun, in this case the shop, but the phrase is where it is joined on with adjectives and different descriptions. So for example, if we talk about a bike, the green shiny bike that was in the shed, there's your noun phrase. So instead of saying the bike, you had that phrase. So here you've got to do the same for the shop. So we look forward to seeing how you do on these. Again, at 11:40, I am in no doubt we'll look at elements of this. But if you have any questions in the meantime, make sure you ask. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing how you tackle all these.